after researching a selection of suitable detergents for your cleaning requirement. Ultimately, one factor decides: the price. But hold on. Is it really sufficient to just compare the price per liter? Not. Just as with the purchase of batteries, one factor is equally important to the price per unit: the consumption. In other words, what is the use of paying half and then consuming the triple? This is especially true for choosing your detergent. The consumption depends, for example, on the detergent temperature in the cleaning process. At high temperatures, evaporation of water and detergent constituents occurs. The mixing ratio is impaired and the cleaning process becomes unstable. The mixture therefore must be constantly monitored by expensive measuring equipment and, in consequence, constantly corrected. The evaporation of the detergent, the measuring technology, and the heating energy required to run the process at high temperatures results in significantly higher than necessary total costs, considering modern detergent technologies. State-of-the-art high-performance low-temperature cleaners are already highly effective at just 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, and thus ensure a long-lasting, stable cleaning process. With less consumption and without expensive measurement technology and energy costs. High-performance low-temperature detergents thus are much more efficient and environmentally friendly. Another aspect that determines the consumption of the detergent is the so-called bath life, the time that a cleaning detergent can be reused until it has to be finally exchanged. To achieve the lowest possible consumption, the bath life of your detergent should be as long as possible. Kolb's ternary sequence technology allows to regenerate the detergent with very simple filtration and thus significantly extending the bath life. Detergents with TS plus long life have about twice as much pH buffering as comparable products and therefore need to be exchanged even less frequently. The conclusion: the most economic cleaner is not necessarily the one with the lowest price per liter, but the one with the best ratio of price and consumption. Contact us. We are happy to advise you. Kolb Cleaning Technology. Electronics cleaning chemistry since 1988.